important for you all to know, number one. Number two, I am the Vice President for Student Affairs. Some of you perhaps remember a preview. I came to speak to you and your families. But what I do is, probably I have the best job at the university, because what we are the 360-degree student experience. So it's about everything that you'll probably experience and learn outside of the classroom. For example, Center for Leadership and Service, Multicultural and Diversity Affairs, Career Resource Center, Housing. Who's living in housing this year? Anybody? Not too many, huh? What else can I tell you? The students is also around new programs, the student programs. Hopefully, you will have an experience, you've had experience with new programs, and hopefully you will experience more things. We have student activities, involvement on the third floor. We've got student government we work very closely with, just a number of different programs. So I oversee all of that. And rec sports, by the way. And we've just opened up a beautiful expansion. I hope many of you use that facility because we're very excited about it.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mr. Cruz, and what is your position here?
Great. Well, welcome everyone. Glad to see you all out. Multiple diversity fairs. You know, go along with 360-degree student experience. We create those environments for students that thrive and be themselves. We oversee several areas. You know, Montecito is one of them. The Institute of Black Culture. We also have the LGBT Student Affairs office within the third floor of Peabody Hall. We also have the Asian Pacific American centers. We have new space, safe space for students out on the fourth floor of Peabody Hall. So if you want to come out and be a part of the community, we welcome you to the third floor, fourth floor of Peabody Hall. La Casita is open. We are open late over there. We also have the Institute of Black Culture, which is also open. So that's what we do. Create those environments, make people feel welcome.
Perfect. Well, we really appreciate both of you being here tonight. Do you have any inspiring words for our new students?
Well, let me just tell you one thing. I've been here for 6 years, and the number of Hispanic students has grown significantly. I think it's about 17% now. And when I first got here, I think it was around 11 or 12. So there are a number of Hispanics coming to UF more and more every single year. That's very exciting for us. Because UF wants to be a campus that's open to diversity. Because we think that we will be enriched by the differences. So I hope you feel welcome. I want you to find your niche. I want you to go to class. I want you to study. I want you to excel. But I think the best thing you can do is to connect. Connect with your faculty. Connect with your RA. Connect with friends. Connect with a service organization. Whatever it is, connect, because that is going to make you feel even much more a part of this campus. And I think that's really what it's about. So I wish you a lot of luck with that.
Thank you, Dr. Tavis Irvin and Mr. Jared Cruz for joining us on pre-manufacturing tonight. When we return, we will update you on the World Cup 2010 and much more. But now let's go to commercial break.
Students go for a week or so during the break weeks. Good evening, navigators, and welcome to the sports segment of today's show. My name is David Armas.
And I'm Prayer.
So today, we'll be talking about the soccer tournament sponsored by the Hispanic Student Association, or HSA.
What's that? Don't you mean HHM?
No, it's not HHM, not this one. HSA, the Hispanic Student Association, is an organization on campus that helps to unite and spread awareness of the Hispanic culture everywhere.
Oh, that's right. They have like 8 sub-organizations.
They actually do. These 8 teams are ready to go. They have been practicing and preparing for long hours to bring you the best programming at the University of Florida.
Oh wait, we have a live correspondent to bring you crazy.
Okay. Introducing me, my name is Javier Suarez, and I'm the Hispanic Student Association President this year at the University of Florida. We got so many cultural organizations, we gotta just present them. Let's start with our first cultural organization. Are you okay? Like, what's wrong? How bad?
It's my first semester here, and I'm really looking to get involved. I have no idea how to do that.
My friend, HC is a perfect fit for you. We got so many cultural organizations, you're bound to find something.
That's such a relief.
Just in order to show you that, we got 8 cultural organizations. Let's bring them up. Starting with Calor, the Central American Latino Association Organization.
Hey guys, my name is Victoria, Secretary of Calor. You should definitely check out our Hispanic Heritage Month event, Calor Cook-Off. There's going to be lots of fun and free food.
Thank you. Next we got HCA, the Hispanic Communicators Association. Yeah, I'm David. I'm the Advertising Director for the Hispanic Communicator Association, or ACA. So if you're in the journalism school, that's PR, telecom, journalism, or advertising, make sure to check us out at our first meeting coming up soon. Thank you. Next we got MASA, Mexican American Student Association.
Hi everyone, my name is Lucio with Mexican American Student Association. If you like food, music, and having fun, check us out on Facebook. And be sure to come out to our first meeting September 9th.
Our Twitter!
And Twitter. Thank you, Lucio. Next, we got VINSA, the Minnesota Student Association.
Hey guys, I'm Andrea. I'm representing VINSA tonight. That was great. We're a lot of fun. We always have a good time. And we do a lot of community service, so definitely get involved. Check us out on the HSA website. We'd love to see you soon. Thanks.
Thank you. Next, we got OSA, the Columbia Student Association.
Hello, Latinos! Hello, Columbia. I am Melissa. I'm the treasurer for the Columbia Student Association, and I would like to welcome all freshmen. We do tons of activities, definitely dance and nights away. We have a huge camping event coming up, and our first line meeting is next Wednesday, September 8th. Join our Facebook group and check out your inbox. Thanks.
Thank you. Next, we got ASU, the Peruvian American Student Union.
Hey everybody, I'm Stephanie Salazar. I'm representing FASA for tonight. Just want to let you guys know that FASA puts on a lot of events, goes on a lot of fun camping trips, and they love to welcome in Peruvian freshmen. So check them out at hsauf.org under Celebrants.
Next up, we got ASA, the Argentinian Student Association.
¿Qué tal todos? Me llamo Michelle, and I am a representative of ARSA, the Argentine Student Association. We invite you all to join us in sharing our culture and customs. Maybe dance some tango, maybe eat some steak at an hotel. Check us out on Facebook, and hope to see you all around.
Thanks, ASA. And last but not least, we got CASA, the American Student Association.
So I think there's some Cubans in the building. I'm Josh Espinosa, the president of CASA. We have our first meeting coming up next Thursday. And if you want more information about it, just go by our table after, or check out our Facebook, or I guess our Twitter, or our website. Thank you.
Thank you, CASA. Well, my friend, now you've seen all these great cultural organizations and all they can offer. Which one will you join?
Gosh, classes, president, they're just all so diverse and so great. I can't just pick one. But I am going to check out that HSA meeting tomorrow night.
You're a clever little person. You're well informed. Well, now that you mentioned that, we got our first general body meeting for HSA tomorrow at Bryce 282. Doors will open at 7 p.m. and the meeting starts promptly at 7:30. So mark it down on your calendars and hopefully we'll see you there. Thank you guys very much. Now let's go to more subcultural clips. Thank you.